Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can make money online with YouTube, even if you have no experience, no camera, and no idea what to make videos about. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not, because I'm going to introduce you to a program that has helped thousands of people achieve YouTube success and financial freedom. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and it's created by Matt Parr, a YouTube expert who runs 9 different channels and makes over $30,000 per month from YouTube alone. Tube Mastery and Monetization is a comprehensive course that teaches you everything you need to know to start, grow, and monetize a profitable YouTube channel in any niche. You will learn how to find the best niches, how to research keywords and topics, how to create high-quality videos without showing your face, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and engagement, how to grow your audience and subscribers, and how to make money from multiple revenue streams, such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. You might be wondering, what makes Tube Mastery and Monetization different from other YouTube courses out there? Well, there are several reasons why this course stands out from the rest. First of all, it's based on proven strategies and case studies from Matt Parr himself, who has built 9 successful channels in different niches, ranging from entertainment to education. He shares his secrets and tips on how he generates millions of views and thousands of dollars every month from YouTube. Second, it's a step-by-step program that guides you from the basics to the advanced level, with clear instructions, examples, and templates. You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to follow along. Third, it's a community-based program that gives you access to a VIP Facebook group, where you can interact with other students, get feedback, support, and motivation. You can also ask Matt Parr any questions you have and get direct answers from him. If you're interested in getting Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can do so by clicking the link below this video. This will take you to a special page, where you can watch a free training webinar by Matt Parr, where he reveals more details about his YouTube system and how you can replicate it. At the end of the webinar, you will also get a chance to enroll in the course at a discounted price. But hurry, because this offer is only available for a limited time. So don't miss this opportunity to learn from one of the best YouTube experts in the world and start your own YouTube journey today. Click the link below, and I'll see you inside the course.